Imagine you're running a suspicious program and need to cut the cord instantly. Or maybe you're in the middle of a focused work session and you can't afford a single notification popping up. You need to go offline right now, but crawling under your desk to yank out an Ethernet cable is a hassle. And what if you break the clip? Today, I'm giving you the power to flip a digital switch. You are about to learn how to become invisible online while keeping your local setup perfectly intact. Why not just unplug it? Welcome back. We've all been there. You want to stop Windows Update from hogging your bandwidth, or maybe you just want to play a single-player game without logging into a server. The old school way? Pull the plug, turn off the router. But that's a blunt instrument. When you pull that cable, you lose everything. You lose your connection to your local printer. You can't transfer files to your other computer in the next room. You are completely isolated. We don't want isolation, we want control. I'm going to show you 4 methods to block internet access on Windows. We will start with the easiest, nuclear option, and work our way up to the pro methods that let you keep your local network alive while killing the internet. Let's dive in. Method 1. The digital switch. Disabling adapters. This first method is for when you need the internet gone, completely, in 5 seconds flat. No software to install, no scripts. Think of your network adapter as the front door to your house. We aren't going to barricade the door, we're just going to lock it. On your Windows keyboard, hit the Start button and type Network Connections. You'll see an option that says View Network Connections. Click that. Boom. You are looking at the heart of your PC's networking. You'll see Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Right-click the one that's connected. Select Disable. That's it. The lights on your router port might even turn off. Your computer is now digitally severed from the world. It's exactly the same as unplugging the cable, but you didn't have to leave your chair. To get it back, right-click Enable. Simple, effective, but it kills your local connections too. No printer, no file shares. What if you want to be a ghost on the internet, but still visible to your own devices? The curiosity gap. Local vs global. Here is where most people get confused. They think network means internet. It doesn't. Your local network, LAN, is your house. The internet, WAN, is the rest of the world. Unplugging the cable destroys both. Method 1 destroyed both. But what if I told you there is a way to delete the map your computer uses to find the outside world, while keeping the map of your house intact? Method 2. The gateway trick. Manual IP. This is my favorite trick for long-term blocking. It's perfect if you have a PC you never want going online, like a dedicated media server or a legacy machine running old software. We are going to give your computer a lobotomy, but just for the internet. Go back to your network connections. Right-click your adapter and hit Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Double-click it. Usually, this is set to Obtain IP address automatically. That means your router gives your PC all the info it needs. We are going to change that. Switch it to Use the following IP address. Now type in an IP address that matches your network, like 192.168.1.50. Fill in the subnet mask, usually 255.255.255.0. Here is the secret. Leave the default gateway blank. The default gateway is the bridge to the internet. Without it, your computer has no idea how to leave your house. It can talk to the printer next to it. It can talk to the NAS drive. But if you try to load Google, nothing. You have successfully created a local-only machine. Pattern interrupt, command line power. Okay, clicking through menus is fine, but it's slow. Do you want to feel like a hacker? Do you want to kill the connection with a few keystrokes? Let's look at the command prompt. If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner. Method 3. PowerShell and command prompt. Sometimes you need speed. Maybe you're testing malware in a sandbox or you're doing something private. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click, and run as administrator. You need admin rights to rule your network. To drop the internet instantly, type this IP config/release. Hit enter. Your computer just dropped its IP address. It has no identity. It can't talk to anyone. You are a ghost. To get it back, IP config/renew. But let's get fancier. Let's use PowerShell to disable the specific adapter, just like we did in method 1, but faster. Open PowerShell as admin. Type get-net adapter. This lists your devices. Find the name of your Ethernet card. Now type disable-net adapter-name ethernet-confirm : $false done. It's off. To bring it back, change disable to enable. You can even save these commands as a desktop shortcut. Double-click to kill the web. Double-click to bring it back. That is ultimate control. Method 4. The firewall, the surgical knife. So far we've been using sledgehammers. We've been killing the whole connection or confusing the network settings. But what if you want to be online for some things, but block one specific app from accessing the internet? Maybe you have a program that keeps trying to phone home or update itself when you don't want it to. Enter Windows Defender Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Sounds scary, but it's not. Click Outbound Rules. This controls what leaves your computer. Click New Rule. Select Program. Find the .exe file of the software you want to block. Click Next. Select Block the connection. Name it Block App Internet. Now, that specific program is in a digital prison. It cannot access the internet. But your browser, your email, and your Spotify, they work perfectly fine. This is the method power users use. It's surgical. It keeps your system functional, but stops specific apps from leaking data. Let's recap. If you want a total blackout, use method 1 and disable the adapter. If you want local access only, printers/files, but no web, use method 2 and remove the default gateway. If you want speed, use the command line. If you want to block just one app, use the firewall. Why does this matter? Because your computer defaults to being open. Windows wants to be connected. Advertisers want you connected. Software updates want you connected. Knowing how to sever that link without crawling on the floor to find a cable is a basic privacy skill. So guys, you now have the keys to your own digital castle. You don't need to physically disconnect to be secure. Whether you're protecting your privacy, stopping automatic updates, or just creating a distraction-free zone, you control the flow of data. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button so I know to make more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to master your Windows networking. Stay secure, stay in control, and I'll see you in the next one.